In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your trade history on TradingView. This is an invaluable tool whether you're a seasoned trader looking to analyze past performance or a beginner trying to get a better grip on your trading strategy. So let's dive in and take you step by step through this process. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your TradingView account. Make sure you have access to your trading data because this is where we'll be working most of our magic today. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your chart screen come to life with all the data and interactive tools TradingView offers. It's that wonderland of numbers, charts, and graphs that every trader loves. Next, direct your attention to the bottom of your chart screen. This is where the trading panel sits. It's your workstation and showcases all your brokerage account information front and center, allowing you to navigate various account settings effortlessly. This panel is your gateway to accessing your trade history, and we'll be doing just that. You'll see a drop-down menu here, probably linked to your broker. It's an unassuming little box, but clicking on it will reveal a list of options at your disposal. We're on the lookout for an option labeled Export Data. This is your golden ticket to pulling all that valuable trade history out of the app and into a more flexible format. After you choose Export Data, you'll be greeted with a few tabs to choose from. These tabs basically categorize your trade data, giving you access to comprehensive historical records or detailed journal entries. Depending on what you need, select either the Trade Journal tab if you're looking for an in-depth look at your day-to-day trades, or the History tab if a broader overview suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, you'll notice an Export button staring back at you. When you hit this button, it works its magic immediately, downloading all the information from your selected tab onto your computer in the form of a CSV file. You'll find this file usually waiting for you in your Downloads folder, ready for whatever analytic adventure you plan to embark on next. This CSV file is highly versatile and can be opened in spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Whether you want to analyze your trades, organize them chronologically, or even use them for backtesting, these tools will offer you all the functionality you need to slice and dice your trading data. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your trade history from TradingView, turning raw data into actionable insights. Happy trading!